Oh yeah, we are right. Make it selling. She put some oil. Oh, yes, this is the sauce of the nấm cua. Bean sprout and chives and cover of egg. And you see, oh wow, oh wow, yolk is like lava of the volcano. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with it. It's good. The sauce is sweet, nothing salt, nothing salty. Oh, amazing. Yes, good. Oh wow, it is very good. And I need to add some chilies. The chilies impress more flavor here. Yeah, I like chili, but not too much. It is spicy and make me hot sweat. It's like a bowl. It's like a ball. And smell crispy. So I'm gonna go with it. Wow. It is crispy, sweet, and inside is yolk. It is very, very good. I'm gonna try with the sauce here. Nice. Amazing. Oh wow. It is hot. It is better when you add some chili inside to the sauce. Impress more flavor. Okay, I'm gonna go again. Oh wow, it's hot. Oh wow. Better. What?
Thì cái mà phạm một o ăn lại đấy à. Cái tổ ở rồi đặt tới đi sủa lắm. Có ngày đấy sủa bị nghỉ.
Get the high. Yeah, I'm finishing. I'm very pretty full, and the breakfast is amazing. I like Cambodian food, and also with fruit here. Get fruit. Why not? Thank you very much for watching my video. Click subscribe if you're new here, and don't forget to give me thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.